How to comment and pin on YouTube video. If you've ever typed a brilliant comment and thought, wow, this deserves VIP treatment, you're absolutely right. And today I'll show you how to give it the spotlight. In this quick and professional guide, I'll walk you through how to comment and pin your own comment on a YouTube video without breaking a sweat. Let's get started before your genius comment gets lost in the crowd. First, open the browser on your device. Head over to the YouTube video where you want to drop your comment. Scroll down to the comment section and type your brilliant idea. Make it good. This one's going to the top. Hit the comment button to publish it. Once your comment appears, find it and tap the three dots on the right side to open the options menu. From the list, select Pin. This officially crowns your comment as the star of the comment section. When the confirmation pops up, click Pin again to finalize it. And that's it. Your comment is now pinned right at the top for everyone to see.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.